Good morning, guys, and welcome to your word study for Wednesday. Okay, so just like we did a different kind of activity on Monday, we're going to do something different on Wednesday. Okay, so you're going to open this up in your Google Classroom. Your teacher will have this posted for you as an assignment in your Google Classroom, and what you're going to do is after I finish explaining how to do this activity, you will go to your Google Classroom and complete this assignment, okay? So this assignment in your Google Classroom will be called Week of 4-6-2020 Word Study Assignment, ABC Order and Story Highlight. Now, you should have completed the ABC Order activity on Monday, okay? That activity looks like this. Okay, and you have your ABC chart right there for you to use as a reference. And now on Wednesday, we're going to do the story highlight. Okay, so you should have already watched a video on Monday of Mrs. Martinez explaining to you how to highlight words in a Google Doc on the computer, okay? Because on Monday, you would have done this for sentence of the day instead of writing it down on paper and having to use crayons or color pencils to highlight your words, okay? So for today, we have a story highlight activity. I have written a story, and you are going to look for your high frequency words within this story, and you're going to highlight them this color, okay? So our instructions say, read the story, then go back and highlight your high frequency words found in the story. Please use this color. Enjoy. Now, I'm going to read the story one time first, and then I'll go back, and the second time I'll look for my high frequency words for this week. If I forget what those high frequency words are, I'll just scroll up here and see what they are, okay? Actually, you know what I'll do? Mrs. Walker will put the high frequency words for you right here so that you know what they are for this week. So we have know, let, use, said, and place. Those are the words that you're looking for. Okay. I'll highlight these for you so that you can just look on the page and find them. Okay. So we have no. I'm going to underline them for you guys. Let, use, said, and place. These are the high frequency words that you're looking for this week, okay? I'm going to make that a lowercase l. All right, let's get started. Remember, I'm going to read it first, and then the second time I'm going to go back and highlight my high frequency words. The story says, I know of a beautiful place. It is said to be the perfect place to live. In winter, people use shovels, and in the fall, they use rakes. This place can get really hot, but can also be extremely cold at times. Some neighbors may let you jump on their trampoline, and some may let you drive their four-wheeler. This is such an amazing place. Someone once said they have the best college football team, and at the games, many fans will let you use their phone to take pictures and let you have some Buckeyes. I love this place. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I have to go and look for my high frequency words. So I'm going to go up here to this little marker looking thing. I'm going to click on it, and because it says to use this color for my high frequency words, I'm going to find that color on this chart, and there it is. Okay, so words to look for: know, let, use, said, place. So I'm going to go through. I know. Oh, that's a high frequency word. Let me highlight that. Of a beautiful place. Hey, place is a high frequency word too. Let me highlight that one. Okay, and I'm going to keep going. It is said. Hey, there's said. Said is a high frequency word for this week. Let me highlight that one too. To be the perfect place to live. Hey, place is a high frequency word. See, and just like that, you're going to keep on going, okay? And you're going to continue to highlight all of your high frequency words in the story. This is your word study activity for today. When you are done highlighting all of the words, make sure you go back through and double check and make sure you got them all. And then you will be done with your word study for the day. I hope you guys enjoy this activity and I hope you have a wonderful day.